Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is even odd sum. So now open this question. Even odd sum given an array of n integers, find the sum of the values of even and odd indices positions separately. Now see first example, n equals to 5. Length of array is 5 and array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sum of even number is 9, which is 9, and sum of odd number is 9, which is 9, and sum of even number is 6. So 6 output is 9 and 6. Now see second example. So n equals to 5. So here all the number are even odd. So now the sum of element at odd places is 1 plus 1. Similarly sum of elements at even places 1 plus 1. So here the return type is array list as an integer. So first we will make an integer array list where we store the final answer. So answer equals to new array list of integer type. Now here we make two variable. First variable will be even sum equals to 0. Then second variable will be odd sum equals to 0. Now we use for loop. For traversing on entire array. So int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now we check the indices. If the indices is even, if I modulo 2 equals to 0, then we will add in even sum plus equals to array of I. Otherwise we will add in odd sum. Odd sum plus equals to array of I. Now we add the both answer in the array list. So answer dot add odd sum, answer dot add even sum. Now at the end we will return the final answer as a array list. Now compile and run. So there is some error. Here we will should to store the odd sum, even sum. So even sum, then we will should to store the odd sum. Now again compile and run. Therefore code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.